Welcome back, car enthusiasts! Today, we're diving deep into one of the most exciting compact sports cars on the horizon, the 296 BMW M2. This isn't just another update. It's an evolution that pushes performance, technology, and track capability to new heights. And at the heart of this lineup, the jaw-dropping M2 CS, along with some game-changing updates for the standard M2, and even whispers of an all-wheel drive variant. Let's break it down. First up, let's talk about the star of the show, the 26 BMW M2 CS. This is BMW's latest track-focused weapon, designed to deliver blistering performance straight from the factory floor. Under the hood lies an upgraded version of the legendary 3.0-liter S58 twin-turbo inline-six engine, the same power plant found in the M3 and M4, but tuned to perfection for the M2Cs. With 523 horsepower and 479 lb-Fat of torque, this little beast rockets from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.7 seconds, with a top speed capped at 180 mph. That's supercar territory, folks! But what really sets the M2 CS apart is how light it feels on its feet. Thanks to extensive use of carbon fiber reinforced plastic, CFRP, for parts like the roof, seats, and other components, BMW has shaved off nearly 97 pounds compared to the standard M2. Lighter weight means sharper handling and better acceleration. Exactly what you want in a track weapon. Now onto the driving dynamics. The M2 CS sits on a lowered chassis with model-specific tuning for the springs, dampers, and control systems. It also comes standard with M compound brakes, ensuring you can stop as hard as you go. One thing to note though, unlike previous CS models, this one is exclusively offered with an 8-speed automatic transmission. No manual option here, which might disappoint purists, but trust me, this gearbox is lightning fast and perfectly suited for both street and track use. And speaking of tracks, BMW didn't hold back when designing this car. Every detail, from the aggressive aerodynamics to the lightweight materials, screams track day domination. Of course, all this performance doesn't come cheap. The M2 CS starts at around $98,600, making it the most expensive M2 ever produced. But remember, this is a limited run model set to begin production in August 2025. So if you're lucky enough to snag one, consider yourself part of an elite group of drivers who own one of the best compact sports cars money can buy. While the M2 CS steals the spotlight, the standard 2026 M2 isn't far behind. Building on the improvements introduced for the 2025 model year, the base M2 now packs 473 horsepower, delivering plenty of punch for everyday driving or weekend canyon runs. For those looking to take their M2 to the next level, BMW is introducing a track day package. Think of it as a mini CS transformation, complete with a massive rear wing, front splitter, and lightweight wheels. Perfect for standing out at your local track event, or just turning heads wherever you go. And finally, here's where things get really interesting. Reports suggest BMW will launch an all-wheel drive xDrive version of the M2 in late 2026. While details are still scarce, it's expected to pair the existing turbocharged engine with BMW's intelligent xDrive system, offering superior traction in adverse weather without sacrificing too much of the RWD character. The trade-off? It'll likely be heavier than the rear-wheel drive model and only available with an automatic transmission. Some speculate it could eventually replace the RWD variant altogether, so enjoy those tail-happy antics while they last. So there you have it. The 2026 BMW M2 lineup promises to be nothing short of extraordinary. Whether you're chasing lap times in the track-ready M2 seats, enjoying the refined balance of the standard M2, or exploring new terrain with the upcoming xDrive model, there's something here for every enthusiast. What do you think? Are you team manual purist, or does the idea of an AWD M2 excite you? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more automotive awesomeness. Until next time, stay fast, stay safe, and keep those tires squealing.